welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a canvas bag, particularly the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, Louis Vuitton Speedy, and the Valentino tote. This method will work on any canvas bag that you have, however. So, as fate would have it, my bag is now dirty and in need of a clean. Now, I've had my bag for a couple years. It's never been dirty before because I keep it in such good condition. And this past week, my daughter put something in it, some food item, and I wasn't using the tote because I was using only the wristlet. Come to find out, whatever that food item is left this nasty stain in there, and so I thought of doing this video yesterday, and lo and behold, my bag actually does need to be cleaned. Is that the universe? So I'll be demonstrating on my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and the method will work on any other bag that you have that is made of this kind of material. Let us go ahead and get started. This method is very cheap, easy, and quick, so let's go. What you need: the Otter wax. Description is in the link below. It is $7 on Amazon, and you're gonna need a little cup so you could dilute your cleaner and an old toothbrush. So I like this because it's natural, biodegradable, very mild on your canvas products. Obviously, you don't want to ruin them. I've used this before on my Valentino tote. I took it to the beach. You can see that it's a lighter color. I came back, it was completely filthy, like it was black marks everywhere, wet spots, nasty. You can see it looks brand new right now. And this is a product I use to clean it, so I have 100% faith in it. So I was telling you how my daughter ruined my Neverfull. This is a big nasty spot that's on it. If you didn't know, you can turn your Neverfull completely out. I've also noticed now that I'm doing this that I have dirt marks around the corners. What you can do to prevent that is actually to fold your dust bag and layer it in the bottom of your purse and then put your other stuff on top of it. I haven't been doing that lately and it shows. So I'm gonna clean that all up and show you how it goes. So let's go ahead, put just a small amount of your cleaner and dilute it with some water. You don't need a lot of the soap, and you want to fill it up to what you think is a good level to keep the consistency nice and soapy. So this is about where I filled mine. Get your toothbrush, swirl, and now we're just going to clean the spots. Okay, so I have my tote here, and I'm just going to use the toothbrush with the solution and start to scrub at the area. And then I'll go ahead and do the edges as well in the lining of the bottom like I was showing you. Also, welcome. If you are new here, my name is Jody. I talk about luxury products, mostly bags and shoes, also my jewelry and my natural hair. If you're interested in those kinds of subjects, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also like and comment on this video. Share it with a friend who might find it useful. And don't forget to check out the description box because I'm going to put the links, well actually the link to the product that I'm using there for you. If you ever needed to do the exterior of your bag, you can still use this product. It's also good for the coated canvas portion, especially if you have the Demier Azure like I do in the Speedy, and it's a lighter color. It can get dirty. This is a great product to use. So I'm just going to continue to clean, and then I will check back with you to show you the finished product when it is dry. All right, stay tuned. See you soon. All right, friends, here is the end result. Now, full disclosure, guys, I'm gonna let you know the stain that I had was very, very bad, okay? So, well, let's start here. So you can see all the corners are clean. There are no splotches. There's no dirt. Everything is beautiful. Now, that one really bad stain that I had, if you remember, that was across here. it was really bad. So this bag was in my trunk for like 5 days or so, almost a week, with some leftover food from my daughter, and it was very hot in the trunk, and so it kind of like baked into the fabric. It was a tough stain. So full disclosure, I used the product I showed you, which is very gentle but very effective, and after going over it like 2-3 times, I still couldn't get the stain out. It was still like really in there. I mean, it was about 60% improved, but I could see it. So I had to go and pull out the baking soda and vinegar. So just like 1 part baking soda with like 2 parts vinegar, and turn it into a paste. Put that on, let it sit for an hour or 2, and then you can come back and clean it off. And that is how I got that stain completely out. Now, full disclosure again, I don't know if it shows on camera. That part of the red right here, not a big part, but just this little sliver, it is faded a little bit compared to the rest of the bag, so I did lose some color using the vinegar and baking soda, which is why it's important to use a gentle product like that one I was showing you. But I would rather have a little bit of fading than having that horrible stain on my bag. So that is how I ultimately got it all the way 100% clean. So 95% of the times, the Otter Wax canvas cleaner is enough, more than enough. But sometimes when you have a horrible tough stain, you do have to turn it up a notch. So that's what I did. And here is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull back to being brand new. And that is how I cleaned my Neverfull. That is how I clean all of my other canvas and fabric type bags. Alright friends, you may have seen where I showed you this bag in another video. I actually make these beautiful jute tote bags. And these are what I've been using to save myself from the heartache of having a designer bag that I get it stained or something. So these are really awesome for situations like what I was in with my Neverfull. Like I could have put the leftover food or whatever it was into here because I could have cleaned it out. The interior, you can wipe it clean, and it's still a beautiful chic looking tote that's like nice to carry around. So now I've learned my lesson. I use this for the messy runaround errands with my daughter, and then when I'm dressing up or know that my bag is not going to be at risk, that is when I pull out my Louis Vuitton Neverfull and bags like that. But anyways, glad that I could get it clean. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe, hit the notification, and also watch some of my other videos. See you guys in another video. Thank you.